That's a pretty bite.
You're gonna love it. So here we are. So I'm just gonna go downstairs and I'll be back. Hi, I'm Rebecca, food stylist and chef at HelloFresh, and today we're going to cook a dish.
Hi, Rebecca. Welcome on our set today. We are having a mystery box in front of you. There are 3 HelloFresh recipes in that. You open the box, you take them all out, and I would get the recipe cards and tell you which number to pick. You would get the ingredients, but you won't see the recipe. We want to see your creativity and what you come up with that dish.
Sounds very exciting.
Are you ready to open it?
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh wow, got lots of fish. Buttermilk lemon dressing. Some prawns. And that's it.
You will be cooking recipe 31. That's yours. Yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
All right. Okay, we've got some parsley. Always a great combination when it comes to fish. Okay, we've got cucumber, some potatoes, and then we've got beetroot. Got spring onion. I'd call it a scallion in Ireland. My favorite, garlic. Yes, so happy to get some fresh garlic. What an interesting dish. I'm feeling the juices flowing here now. We've got some nice ingredients here. Beetroot is so fun because you can do so many different things with it. It can be like a salad. It could be like a puree. My fingers are going to be so purple after cutting all these beetroots. And then potatoes. My favorite.
You love potatoes?
I live for potatoes. Right, first things first. Boil the potatoes until they're soft. Little bit of salt in the water, as always. I like to keep the skin on. Give them a little bit of a crush, little squeeze of lemon, little bit of zest. Buttermilk lemon dressing. This is gonna follow me for the whole show. I'll find something with this. I think I can prep my salad first anyways, because I can keep that in the fridge. And then last thing, I'll do the fish. Very interesting doing this when you just have like ingredients you need to come up with in yourself. I feel very confident in the fact that I'm gonna go for the lemon potatoes and the fish, because that's like a really nice combination that I enjoy for myself. And then the beetroot and the cucumber, I could go safe, chop both of them up, make a nice fresh salad, use a bit of the buttermilk lemon dressing, garnish with this, season with the garlic. I could do ribbons. That's fun.
Yeah.
Because I like to have a little bit of a visual aspect to my dish. I also do it at home, which is insane. Like when I get at home and I'm like styling my food, and I'm like, you're off. You don't need to do this anymore, Rebecca. You're not working anymore. Okay, my water is boiling. I'm gonna get my salad done, put it in the fridge, and then I can focus on the fish and the potatoes from that point on. Some people like to leave the skin on, but I'm gonna take some of it off. Not all of it, just some of it. I did this and now I'm like, do I want to do strips? I think I want to do strips. Yeah, I'm going to do them. We're going to go for it. From this point on, I'm going to be very confident in what I'm doing. That middle part of the cucumber is always so juicy, but it's not the easiest to peel. Okay, garlic is done, water is boiling. Salad is in the fridge. Beetroot does not know where it wants to be right now. I'm overthinking this dish too much now. I'm home from work. I see the stuff in my fridge. I'm just gonna make a nice, quick and easy dish that'll make me happy, my belly happy, and nobody else, because it's just me having dinner alone. Thanks, guys, for the motivation. I'm just doing a rough chop. I just want texture. Okay. It's nice because we still have some of the beetroot juice, so that's gonna also add that beautiful color to the puree. Okay, I'll add a little bit of balsamic to my beetroot, salt, pepper, tiny bit of oil. I'm gonna blend it, see how it is. Oh God, please don't splash on me. Okay. Look at that color. Do you ever just want to like paint with beetroot, or is that just me? It's such a beautiful, vibrant color. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with my beetroot puree. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge until I'm ready with the rest. All right, my water's boiling. I'm gonna put my potatoes on and then we can get rolling. Cool. What do you guys think? Do you like the fish?
Yeah,
Seeing as you're
I
both
love it.
fish lovers, looks good.
Yeah.
With the fish, I'm just gonna do oil, a little bit of salt and pepper and keep it quite clean because I think it speaks for itself with flavor, not that the shrimp don't, but they just marinate so nicely. I just wanna get all of that excess liquid off first. Put that in there. I'm gonna put some garlic in here. A little bit of oil. Small bit of pepper, of course. All right, let me check my potatoes, see where we're at. Maybe I can start cooking some fish. Maybe about 8 minutes away. So I can start heating up the pan. So I think I'm gonna start with my fish and then also whatever flavor is left in the pan is gonna also add to the shrimp. But yeah, we're nearly there. Once these guys are done, I'll strain them, put the back in the pot, put the lid on, let all that steam keep them nice and warm, start frying the fish, and then we can get ready to plate and see if this dish is gonna come together as I thought, or if it's gonna be like a total surprise. Either way, happy days. Okay, I'm gonna pick a plate. Wow, this is perfect. Like my favorite plate, honestly, this one is my favorite plate. I'm so glad you picked it. So I'm gonna start prepping my herbs and also my spring onion. I love when the spring onion has like a super sharp edge to it, like it's so beautiful. Always comes back to the visual effect. I'll just chop this up really quickly. Time to get moving now because everything is nearly ready and I wanna make sure that we have everything nice and hot. I'm not going to put the fish in there.
Yeah, maybe take it off.
Okay. I really want to get this color on the fish. Skin side down first. Make sure that we have that real nice golden crispy skin. Check the potatoes are ready. Nice. Let's get moving. Yeah, we're getting there. Okay, I think my fish is ready to be flipped. Nice. Looking good. We're getting somewhere. Okay, now I need to get my potatoes crushed. A little bit of butter, salt. Get my prawns going then. I crush these. I'm crushing them, I'm not mashing them. So I don't want to actually lose too much of the texture. I think that's enough. Sorry. My fish is done. Okay. Prawns. Yes. Lovely. They're getting a really nice color because of the fish before, so they're catching all of that flavor of the fish. You can smell it, it's so nice. Oh, I'll put a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit. It's giving salad cream rather than buttermilk. Stir up my potatoes. Nice crushed potatoes. Lovely. Gonna add a tiny bit of zest. A tiny bit more. Let's make some space for my prawns. That's just me showing off that I went to the gym. Oh, God. I need to go back to the gym. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna start plating soon now. I feel like I have everything ready. I'm gonna quickly stir through some of my herbs with my lemon potato. I think it's going to be really nice. Okay, we'll do a little bit of beetroot puree. Love when you use the back of the spoon on the puree and it just makes this beautiful little... It's great. get a bit of a. I'm going to use my hands. It's my dinner. Oh no, I'm sharing. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah, it's fine.
So I'm going to season this quite simply first, just with a little bit of oil, pinch of salt, pepper. Give it a toss. This. I love them, they look great, and I actually love the texture of them when they're sliced as well. I'm now gonna put my fish. I think this guy looks good. I'll go for you. That there. Got some fresh cooked. I'll break this up a bit. I love the way, like, you can see the skin is through there. It's not quite mash, it's not quite whole potatoes. I'm gonna use these tiny little tweezers that I found, they're very cute. We're gonna put some beetroot through the salad. I'm just gonna drop it. Yeah, I know, me too. I'm like, stop being so food style. I'm hungry. It's time to eat. And then I will use the same. I'm gonna put my prawns in the salad. Final touches. You would think that's like adding things, but it's actually just styling. It's so bad. Add some of this lovely herbs to my salad on top. I'm gonna grab a little bit of parsley as well. I didn't use everything, but I'll use it tomorrow. So that's okay, I think. Let's do a tiny bit of dressing on the salad.
Which dressing is that?
This is the lemon buttermilk dressing.
Oh, okay.
Just gonna put a bit on top. And voila! Here we have a prawn, beetroot, and cucumber salad with some lemon and dill crushed potatoes, beetroot, puree, and a beautiful slice of fish on top. I feel good. I feel good. I'm happy with it. If it was like my dish from home, I'm happy with this. This is good. Well, I don't even know where to start. I'll start with the fish. The fish and the beetroot. I mean, I kind of want to get everything in on one.
Yeah.
But
That's a big bite.
that is a big bite.
Down.
With potato. That's good.
Oh, that
I'm
is
happy.
fantastic.
Let's try some salad. Yep, I'm really happy.
Yay!
You're gonna love it.
That's a very pretty dish.
It's a perfect bite. Good. Great.
Oh my God. I'm hungry. This is really good. Well done.
Nice. That was really fun. I really enjoyed that actually. I'm really curious though, what was the actual dish that
Oh, you want to see
that was in the box? Oh wow. Where are the potatoes? Are they in the beetroot puree?
I think so. Yeah, I think they put it together.
Okay, so it's like beetroot puree with a cucumber salad with herbs, and I'm not too far off. I'm glad that I got to make the potatoes their own singular piece of the dish.
I agree.
Not because I'm Irish, just because I really love potatoes. But this is gorgeous too. But isn't it great? You can literally make a dish out of a HelloFresh box and you don't even have to have a recipe card. You can throw it together whatever way you like. Did you enjoy this recipe? If so, like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes.